My name is Rodney Bryant. I have 25 years of trading experience and 25 years of investment banking experience. I would like to help you make exponential wealth with your trading and investing. I developed my trading skill with over 20,000 hours of dedicated practice. I love my day job of investment banking. My passion has been improving trading and investing skills in the weekends and the evenings for 25 years. You wouldn't believe how much time I've invested. For many years, I began working on trading after work on a Friday night and worked until midnight. Then on Saturday, after breakfast at a cafe, I'd work on trading again until midnight. And then on Sunday, I would often repeat the process, working for 12 hours or more until late Sunday evening. Then back into investment banking again on Monday morning. I've done that for more years than I can count. I've missed many parties and other activities as I was dedicated to mastering investing. And to a very large extent, I have. All this work on trading was backed up by a wonderful career in investment banking, as I mentioned, which I'm very thankful for. The two areas are synergistic. With investment banking, I understand how companies work and how to really analyze them, and this helps in trading and investing. I began my investing career in Australia. Then I was very privileged to spend 4 years in New York with a top investment bank. I then completed an MBA at one of the leading business schools in the world in France. I then worked again in New York, London for 8 years, Australia again, and now back to New Zealand. With trading, I began, like many do, trying to follow technical analysis and charts. I realized that manually trading off charts is not the answer, unlike what many people will tell you on YouTube. So then I began trading systems, or creating systems that actually work, using both backtesting and investment analysis. Almost all my systems are now automated. By the way, I use the word trading for shorter term trades and investing for 2-month plus hold times, but it doesn't really matter. I would like to help you with your trading and investing. Please subscribe and click notifications so that YouTube tells you when there are new videos. I also have a Patreon channel that's linked down below, where I'll go into more depth, including some confidential topics with edges I don't want to discuss publicly. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video and in Patreon.